I am Patricia Updegrove, and I'm Learning Manager for the Postgraduate Certificate Program for Project Management. So the students come with a degree or a diploma, and they are then well qualified. I always say to the students, you've earned it. You've earned your way here. Now let's get started. And off of the experiences they've had, the work experiences, the life experiences, then they can go on and bring project management into focus, into application of what they've done before.
Hi, I'm Daniel Cousins, and I am a student with the Project Management Program. I'm really enjoying seeing how the things I learn affect my personal life and how I take on projects. I've been able to do a massive amount of personal projects. The Project Management Program has been an amazing experience.
Hi, my name is Amanpreet Carr, and I'm here from India. I'm currently pursuing my project management here in Holland College. I just searched it on the Google and got so many things, and it was like emerging thing. Everything's common nowadays, like engineer, doctor, counselors, teachers, everything's common. But project manager is the thing, like we used to hear about it and we are like, what's that? So I just searched it out and found it very interesting, and moreover it involves interacting with people and giving your ideas or guiding them up. I am personally having the behavior of guiding everybody. So basically I thought it would be the best program for me. So I just chose it up, and by coming here I realized that it was the best decision.
Hi, my name is Esther Duncan, and I am an instructor at the Project Management Postgraduate Certificate Program at Holland College. Students coming in get a foundational understanding of what business in Canada is, and also what project management is. We have some initial introductory courses. From there we break off into some very specialized areas, and so we're focusing in on, I teach the planning and scheduling course, I teach the applications and tools course, as well as cost management and risk management. But one of the really exciting parts, at least for me, I think, is the fact that we are really a reflection of what's happening in modern project management right now, and that is we have incorporated into the program not just traditional project management methodologies, but also agile methodologies as well. In my classroom, we're engaging in a hybrid version of those as well, so which is very much common in industry today.
So my name is Elizabeth Shoyemi. I came from Nigeria and I'm studying project management. Project management is a course that anybody should go for because it's going to help you to shaping the way you think, the way you interact, your leadership skills. So if you're looking for how to be a leader, how to manage a business, how to manage a project, it could even be your own personal business. I think project management is something you should think of, you should look at.
Hi there, I'm Jason Gomes. I moved from Portugal to Vancouver, and after that I shifted to PEI for Holland College and taking this project management course. This course is like now we are collaborating with the different continent of people, right? We got people from India, we got people from Nigeria, and as well as the Canadians as well over here. And we had one of our friends from Texas. Like the experience you get, that how there is point of view, it's really remarkable. My usual plan was move to States doing my MBA, but during the pandemic I got stuck. But I got this incredible project management course over here with the greatest instructor, I guess. Like the project management course, as you see, like especially it's boom up right now. And with their knowledge and the practical knowledge we are getting right now, it's really highly remarkable.